Your CV may have just a few seconds to make a recruiter stop and pay attention. So if they have to search for what you actually bring to the table, you're already making their job harder. Start with relevance. Don't try to fit your entire career into one document. Read the job description and highlight the experience and skills that actually match the role. Then stop listing responsibilities and start showing results. Instead of saying, manage social media, show what happened because you managed it. Did you increase reach, generate leads, improve engagement? Put the outcome on the page and use numbers whenever you can. Led a team is vague. Led a team of 10 across 18 projects gives the recruiter something concrete. Then remove the filler. Hardworking, team player, quick learner. Anyone can write those words. Your experience should prove them. Before you send your CV, ask yourself, if I were hiring for this role, would I immediately understand why this person is relevant? If the answer is no, edit it. A strong CV isn't the one that says the most. It's the one that makes your value clear quickly. Careerera, learn skills, build your profile, move your career forward.